The Greek civilization, renowned for its extraordinary contributions to art, philosophy, and governance, laid the foundational principles that continue to shape modern society today. In the heart of Athens, citizens gathered in the agora debating ideas that would influence democratic governance, while great thinkers penned thoughts that still resonate in contemporary philosophy. The ancient theater became a cultural hub where drama flourished with tragic and comedic performances, while the Olympic Games celebrated physical prowess and unity among city-states. As city-states like Athens and Sparta flourished, their influence reached beyond borders, establishing trade routes and cultural exchanges that would shape future civilizations. Philosophers gathered in serene gardens discussed profound ideas that would illuminate the path for future thinkers, while their architectural innovations continued to inspire the structures we see today. In classrooms around the world, students delve into the rich literary heritage of Greece, while democratic ideals rooted in ancient practices thrive in current civic life.